The ultimate Quantic MBA review, tutorial from zero to pro in 1 minute. If you're looking to advance your career without quitting your job, most people get this wrong by assuming all online MBAs are the same. The surprising truth about Quantic MBA is that it offers a fast, interactive and flexible program designed for busy professionals. First, let's explore the program's structure. You won't believe how modern it is. Instead of long lectures, Quantic uses interactive mobile-based lessons that keep you engaged, making it easy to learn anytime, anywhere. Next, check the admissions process. Most people get this wrong by overthinking standardized tests. Quantic doesn't require GMAT or GRE scores. You simply complete an application and an aptitude test, and your work experience plays a key role in acceptance. Look into the network opportunities. The surprising truth is that Quantic connects you with a global cohort of professionals, providing access to exclusive networking events, mentorship and career support, which is often comparable to traditional MBA programs. Finally, review outcomes and ROI. You won't believe how effective it can be. Graduates report career advancements, salary increases and new job opportunities, all while avoiding the massive costs and time commitment of conventional MBAs. In conclusion, Quantic MBA can take you from zero to pro in elevating your career. By understanding the interactive format, navigating admissions, leveraging networking, and tracking outcomes, you can make an informed decision that fits your professional goals. With focus and dedication, this program offers a modern, practical alternative to traditional MBA paths.